Hey everyone, welcome to another video here on YouTube. So today's video, I just wanted to make a quick power hour just before the holidays. I don't really have time to do a big clean with me before Christmas time or New Year's, so I'm just trying to keep up the house and do small power hour clean sessions at home, so kind of keep it all tidy. And these are like my favorite videos to make, so they're kind of motivational for me, not only for you guys to watch. But let me know if you want any other videos, and I'll be gladly to make them for you guys. I know there's somebody that requested a Trader Joe's shop with me video, and I will be making that eventually. It just takes a little bit more time, and I haven't had to go on a big interesting grocery haul yet, so I'm just kind of saving it for later. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this.
Take a left here, boy, take it slow. Don't get distracted by that radio. I just rolled my eyes and I said, Daddy, I know I'm 15, I ain't green like some old 10-year-old. What I wouldn't give to be 16, wild and free, cruising up and down Main in my F-150. Roll the windows down, bass too loud from this burned CD. I'll be right where I wanna be when I'm 16, yeah. 16. Now that I can drive, finally feeling alive, but I got this curfew. Sneaking in late, smelling like my girlfriend's perfume. People talking about college and knowledge, and that's alright, but all I'm thinking about is an unsupervised Saturday night. What I wouldn't give to be 18, wild and free, buzzing off a can of that grizzly wintergreen. Looking old enough to pull off this fake ID. I'll be right where I wanna be when I'm 18, yeah. 18, yeah. I'm old enough to smoke, I'm old enough to vote, but they turn me away when I go to the Cotton Eye Joe. They say the grass is always greener, and I believe that's right, but my friends are off to Vegas, and they're leaving me behind. But I wouldn't give to be 21, wild and free, open up a cold one and drink it legally. Chase a bunch of girls, go see the world, let my wild streak run. I'll be right where I wanna be when I'm 21, 21. Oh, when I'm 21, yeah, when I'm 21, it'll be alright, yeah, it'll all be alright when I'm 21. Now I'm 25 and I'm drinking wine with my wife at home. Got a couple dogs and a couple songs on the radio, and we sit around and we laugh about how we used to be when all we cared about was turning 16. You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight, I thank God you can read my mind. Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. something to me, and I've been in a daze ever since the day that we met. You took the breath out of my lungs, can't even fight it, and all of the words out of my mouth without even trying. And I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless, yeah baby. It's always on a night like tonight, I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless. You're standing there in that dress, girl, it ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. Oh, I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless, oh you know it baby. She got the best of me, she broke my heart, now all that's left of me is beating in this guitar. Every night a different town, she follows me around. So you get what's left of me, yeah you get what's left of me, 'cause she got the best of me. 'Cause she got the best of me.